Namaste, welcome to Sisrekha's kitchen. Today I am making quinoa brown rice idli. Next time when you make idli, try this recipe. It's very easy. Here I have 1 cup of urad dal, 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 cup of quinoa and 1 cup of brown rice. Soak them overnight or at least 4 hours. I soaked urad dal, chana dal and fenugreek seeds together, and then quinoa and brown rice soaked separately, and I cleaned all of them for a couple of times. Now I am going to grind them. First of all, I ground the urad dal, chana dal and fenugreek seeds together, and I took the ground batter into a container. Then I ground the quinoa and brown rice together into a fine paste. Quinoa has all 9 essential amino acids in it, and also it contains good fiber. Sorry for the bad lighting here. Now add this quinoa brown rice batter to the urad dal batter and give this a good mix. Add the salt also to the batter and mix it well. Rinse the blender jar with some water and add that water also to the batter and mix it well. Now keep this vessel in a warm place and allow this to ferment overnight or at least 8 hours. Next day morning I checked the batter. It is fermented, but it did not ferment as much as I expected. I kept the vessel in the oven, but I forgot to turn on the light. That's why it was not warm enough to ferment more. But it is okay to make idli. I greased the idli molds and filled with idli batter. I put the stand in the idli cooker and cooked for 10 minutes in the high medium flame and then 10 minutes in the low flame, and then turn off the stove and let it sit for 5 minutes. Then open the lid and take the stand out of the cooker and wait for a couple of minutes again before you unmold. Unmold the idlis and transfer them into a plate. Idli came out really nice and soft. Serve the idlis with your favorite chutney or sambar. Don't forget to add some ghee. Thank you all for watching my video. I hope you all like this healthy and easy recipe. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow my Facebook page. Also don't forget to visit my Telugu channel and try those recipes. We will meet in my next video. Until then, happy cooking.